This is the Dewalt DWB 800 variable speed blower. It's 800 watts, 16,000 RPM, delivering 4.5 cubic meters per minute. Now that's around an extra 30% additional volume per minute than the blowers I've previously used. It can also be used as a vacuum with a suction capacity of 2.5 cubes per minute. The nozzles and dust bags can easily be removed and reattached. The controls are well positioned on the blower for easy operation. The trigger can be locked and the speed can be adjusted with the variable speed dial. The speed can also be adjusted whilst it's in the locked position. The blower has a generous 3-meter cable, making it perfect for any workshop use, so you don't have to get an extension lead out every time you use it. As for maintenance of the tool, well, the brushes are easily accessible on the outside of the motor casing, allowing you to replace the brushes yourself. An additional great feature is the standalone base, allowing it to be hands-free. Overall, a well-balanced blower weighing in at 1.8 kilograms with a soft rubber grip, reducing the vibration to your hands. Now, this is a well-designed tool and the most powerful shop blower that I've used to date. This is just one of the blowers available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.